Hey friends! Welcome to Tinywiny Fun Kids Art! Today, we're drawing a tall, graceful bird with long legs and a sharp beak that loves to stand still in the water. Can you guess what it is? That's right, a blue heron. Let's get started. Watch as our blue heron magically appears on your screen, coming to life step by step. Amazing! Blue herons are patient hunters who stand like statues in shallow water. With their long necks and stilt-like legs, they're nature's perfect fishermen. Here are some fun facts about blue herons. Fact 1. Blue herons can stand completely still for up to 30 minutes waiting for fish. That's longer than you can sit through dinner. Fact 2. Their special neck bones form an S shape that snaps straight lightning fast when catching prey. Fact 3. Herons build huge nests high in trees. Some are bigger than a bicycle wheel. Fact 4. They have special comb-like claws on their middle toes to help groom their feathers. Fact 5. Despite their size, blue herons weigh only 5 to 6 pounds because their bones are hollow like straws. What colors are blue herons? Blue herons are mostly gray-blue with white faces, but their heads have striking black plumes. In flight, you can see their beautiful blue-gray wings. Wow! Our blue heron drawing is finished, and it looks absolutely fantastic! If you had fun drawing today, give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more Tinywiny art adventures. See you next time! Bye-bye!